Users can customize the flowsheet by annotating it with texts and shapes. Let's start with the Text tool. Text can be added in the flowsheet through the use of the Text tool found in the Tools section of the Flowsheet toolbar. These texts can be placed at any position, irrespective of snap mode, whether free, orthogonal, or isometric mode. As in all other components, the input editor is used to input the required details needed to be shown as text in Flowsheet. By clicking on the Text property, the Set Text and Text Properties window appears, where the user can not only input the text details, but can also modify the font, color, and size of the texts. Applying the Resize button enables users to stretch out text boxes and arrange the text layout as needed. Aside from texts, users can also add shapes in the flowsheet by clicking on the rectangle, round rectangle, or circle tools found in the Tools section of the Flowsheet toolbar. These shapes can be used to further supplement the representation of a system in a particular hydraulic model. The user may edit the shape properties, such as border and fill color, in the input editor. Applying the Resize button enables users to stretch out shapes to adjust to the appropriate size as desired. In addition to utilizing text and shapes, FluidFlow now supports the incorporation of images and sheets directly into the flowsheet. We will explore this new functionality in our next discussion.